Okay, in this short video, I'm just going to talk about some mathematics behind Benford's law, just to illustrate how this really works. Basically, it's right there, that one line. That's Benford's law of the first digit. Probability, P, of that first digit, represented by D, equals the logarithm of the digit plus 1 minus the logarithm of the digit. So you plug the digit in where their D is. So the probability of that digit equaling a 1 would be equal to the logarithm of 1 plus 1 over 1. Break this down and show it. It's basically like this. The probability of the first digit being a 1 is equal to the logarithm of 1 plus 1 over 1, which is the log of 2. The log of 2 is 0.301. I would take this to the next digit, or actually it's still the first digit being a 2. The probability of the first digit being a 2 is the logarithm of 1 plus 1 over the digit, which is 2. So it's 1 plus a half, 1 and a half. The logarithm of 1.5 is 0.176. Now this goes out all the way to the probability of the digit 9 being the first digit. And you can see here that the probability of the first digit being a 9 is equal to the logarithm of 1 plus 1 over 9. So this number here is getting smaller and smaller. Now it's the logarithm of 1.111, which is equal to 0.045. So the probability of that first digit being a 9 is equal to 0.045. And if we take it one step further, you can see that's why we have a logarithmic function chart. This is a logarithmic function illustrated graphically. So the probability of that first digit being a 1 is right here, 0.301, and it goes down to the probability of that first digit being a 9 equal to 0.046. So this is basically the graphical illustration of the mathematics and why this is true. If you take this out one step further to the probability of the second digit being any specific number, the mathematics is a little more involved, but it's basically the summation of the logarithms and how often it can occur within the range or orders of magnitude that you're measuring it in. So without getting into all that, keep it simple. This is why Benford's law has a logarithmic chart. So I hope you enjoyed. That's it for today's math lesson. Next videos we're going to discuss some real-time data. Thank you for watching.